So in order to add someone to help you manage your Google business profile, the first thing you're going to do is come here and click on, that's when you've opened Chrome. The first thing you do is come and click on this button here, this Google Apps. When you click on it, you will see the business profile manager here. You click on the business profile manager, and you're going to find your profile here. Your business profile is going to be here. So you come here, you can see these 3 dots at this point, at this place. You click on it, then you go to business profile settings. You click on it. So you can find here that people and access, advanced settings, remove business profile. You can find different settings that you have here. So you click on the top one, people and access. Then you click on add here. You click on add. Then you add the email address that you want, the email address of the person that you want to help you manage the business profile. So when you add the email address, you now come here and choose the access that you want the person to have. You want the person to be an owner. As you can see under here, if the person is an owner, he can edit, add people, and transfer ownership of the business profile on search and maps. So you have to be careful when assigning ownership or assigning access to this. Then the next is manager. The person can make changes to the business profile on Google search and maps. So this is what you usually want to do, just for somebody to be able to help you add images and stuff like that. So when you add the email, you now click on invite. When you click on this, let's just go all the way. Let me show you what it's going to look like. When you add an email here, let me use one of our emails. And click on invite. So now you have sent an invitation. The person who you invited can now come here, go to their Gmail, and they can see this invitation here. So let's come in here. You have received an invitation. The person can now accept your invitation, and what happens? Become a manager of Arewa Digital. Accept as this email address, and this is your name. Accept. The person clicks on accept, and that's all. The person can also now manage. This the person now managing, having access to your business manager. If the person were to come here now, come to business profile settings, come to people and access, they'll be able to find that you are the primary owner, and then you can see you in brackets is the manager. And if you as the owner were to go to your own business manager, let's refresh this page. If you were to come to your own business manager and you go to people and access, you will find that you, in this case Arewa Digital, is the owner, and this person here is the manager. So the person, of course, has limited access. And if you observe, you as the owner you have this ability to add new people, while them cannot add new people. They don't have that option of adding new people here. So hope this tutorial was helpful.